Hello everyone, welcome you all in Knowledge Center Computer. If you are a new user on my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification of new videos first. In this class we are going to discuss one important difference between validation and verification. But when you are going to discuss, lots of students are confused between validation and verification. This is a very important question regarding interviews also. Many times such type of question asked by interviewer when you are giving for your IT interviews. What is the difference between validation and verification? I am assure you after this video you will be able to find out the difference and never forget the difference between validation and verification. So without wasting time, we start the difference, how they are different. As you are looking on my screen, I am including 5 points only to describe the difference between verification and validation. So start with verification. Verification is the process of evaluating products of a development phase to find out whether they meet the specific requirement. Remember this, verification always done in the development phase. As we know, this is the part of SDLC, that is software development life cycle, and verification process always goes in development phase. In development phase we can say requirement analysis, design. This type of phases are verified by verification phase. Second is validation. Validation is the process of evaluating software at the end of the development process to determine whether software meet the customer expectation and requirement. It means it is the last process to validate. It is according to requirement of customer. Remember, second point is the objective of verification is to make sure that the product being developed as per the requirement and design specification. It means we can say verification is done by developing team, that according to requirement we are fulfilling the requirement of a customer. So verification is done by that team. The objective of validation is to make sure that the product actually meet up the user's requirements. It means now it is checking by user's requirement, but validate sure the product actually meet the requirement of user's requirement and check that whether specifications were correct in the first place. It means whether the specifications were correct in the first place, it is determined in validation phase. Third important difference is that following activities are involved in the verification, like reviews, meetings and inspections. But in validation, following activities are involved in validation, like testing and black box testing, white box testing, gray box testing, and lots of types of testing we are using to validate the product. It means according to this testing we are checking according the requirement of users it is working or not. So fourth difference is that verification is carried out by a quality assurance team to check whether implementation software is per specification document or not. But validation is carried out by testing team. It means you can see here verification is done by quality assurance team and validation is done by testing team. And last topic is that are we building the system right and are we building right system in validation. If you remember both questions, are we building the system right and are we building the right system, you cannot never forget the difference between verification and validation. And you should remember this VER, that is R for verification, so it's the requirement and design specification, and you can say validation to actually meet up the requirement of the users, and you can say at the end of the development process validation is done. So we can say during the development Phase we are using verification, and after development by using testing we can validate the how they are validate or not. So we can find out the differences. I think it is clear for you how they are different. If you like this, please click on thumbs up button and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this.